I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
So what's going on, family? This your boy Ant. I'm back out here with Crimson Truck Pride 2. As y'all can see, I'm a little sweaty because I started early before I started filming. So let me go around here and show y'all what we got done. Man, I'm tired already. But here's my little graphics that I did to know how the battery goes back in. And now y'all can see I got the batteries lined back up. I got everything clean, the terminals and everything. And my bracket had broke right here, so I ended up putting a ratchet strap on it to hold the batteries in place so they won't slide. So now all we got to do is go around here, and like I said, we got the alternator finished yesterday, but we got to put the belt and stuff back on. So I'm going to do that next, and then we're going to crank it up, and everything should be fine with Crimson Truck Pride 2. All right, we'll get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, we are officially in Crimson Truck Pride 2, and I'm going to crank it up. Y'all be the first, and I will be the first to see if everything's running and charging. So let's do this. Okay, looking right here, before I even turn the key, the voltage meter shooting up. So that's a good sign right there before I crank it. So, and Crimson Truck Pride has fired up. Crimson Truck Pride 2 has fired up. Gauge is looking good. Going all the way over there, look like on 14. So that's a good thing. That's what you want. So now we know that this thing is charging up. Batteries are good. Alternator been rebuilt. I had one bad battery, replaced that. The rest of them was good. So we are good. We're gonna go out here and want to check. We do want to go check the belt, make sure it's all good and right and going straight, because you don't want to tear up no belt. So let's examine that. Look like the belt is intact. Like everything's good. Okay, y'all, look like everything's good. Belt is running good. Next, I got to fix the AC. So we're going to work on AC, run a hot wire to that, and we should be good on the AC. So we'll get back with y'all. Okay, family, we did not get the air conditioning fixed. We don't know what the problem is. We tried everything, run a hot wire to it, that wouldn't work. But we did get, if y'all remember, this was rusty back here. We painted it to make it look a little better. We're gonna have to get a new one because it's got a hole right there where rust been eating it out, and they kind of bent it up at the shop. But other than that, we had a long day. A lot of stuff got done, and we're just gonna have to put it in the shop and let them fix the air conditioner. Other than that, Crimson Truck Pride 2 is back, y'all. So this is your boy. I'm out of here. Peace. Also, I got to take this other truck down there, as y'all can see, the one I've been using for the company. I got to take that one back. Hopefully I'll be leaving out tomorrow. If not, probably next week, and then we'll be in Crimson Truck Pride 2 and taking that up there to Chicago and letting them fix the air conditioning. I'm gonna bring y'all along on the journey when I get in this truck right here. Well, no, I'm gonna take y'all on the journey with that truck, with the company truck, because I got to bring the Coke car back down. So that'll be experience with y'all. Y'all can look at my drive, and it's a long drive back and everything. And then when we jump in Crimson Truck Pride and I'm gonna start doing vlogs with this truck and start adding more stuff up here than what I got. Then if y'all remember my other truck, it was Crimson down. I'm going to get back to that point, and like I say, with y'all help, I'm going to ask y'all, a couple of things. Do you think I should put that on or not? But other than that, we're going to definitely Crimson tide this truck down. So that's it.